Hey, welcome to Getting It Done North of 7. I got my right rear tire here on my Kia. It's been going low a bit lately since it's gotten colder. The tire pressure is down a bit, so I'm going to pump it up. Yesterday I picked up this Ryobi 18 volt high pressure inflator with a digital gauge, and we're going to see how it works. So we're just going to take this part here like your normal bicycle pump, and we're going to hook it onto our valve. Now what I really mostly bought this tire inflator for is to take with me on the trails with my side-by-side or ATV. So we're going to turn it on. Got it all powered up. It's 25.5 psi, so we got to go up to 34 psi. So there we go. We got it up to 34 psi. That only took about a minute and a half. Now don't go anywhere because I'm going to show you more about this inflator and what you can do with it. Now, like I said, this Ryobi 18 volt tire inflator is going to be great in your car, especially if you have kids that drive or your wife's got the car. This is great. Like, you put this in your car, and if they have any air pressure problems with their tires, they can quickly put more air in the tire and get the tire fixed, drive to where they need to go. As I mentioned before too, if you have a side-by-side or ATV, I'm going to put mine under here in the storage compartment, and I'm always going to have it on the trails with me when I go for a ride, because I've already had tire problems, and if I would have had this pump, it would have made my day a lot easier. I had an older pump, it was no good, and I had to borrow a pump off somebody else. So there's definitely going to be one going in here, and that was only $50 Canadian, so it's pretty cheap, and I'm going to tell you more about it. So let's say you don't have the Ryobi ONE Plus system. What that means is you can use the ONE Plus system, allows you to use, the same battery for about 175 different tools. So like I have this 1/2-inch Ryobi impact gun. I can take the same battery out of that tool, put it in this tool, and it works. By the way, this impact gun is awesome for all kinds of jobs. I can go put it back in my drill gun. I can put it in a vacuum. We use one of the batteries in our flashlight. It's an LED flashlight, and we let the dog out at night. Turn that flashlight on, I can see everything. I don't have to worry about skunks, coyotes, wolves, or anything. I will see them. It's a really good flashlight. The list just goes on. There's like a list of 175 tools, all using the same battery, and it's called the Ryobi ONE Plus system. But say you haven't got started yet on your Ryobi ONE Plus system. You just buy one tool with a couple batteries and the charger, then you can buy multiple tools after, and you're set after that. You just have to buy the tool, which is always cheaper. When you buy a tool with a battery, that's when it's expensive, but it pays for itself down the road anyway, because it's a good tool and you can use that same battery for all kinds of tools. So that's it for the Ryobi 18 volt high pressure inflator. I hope this video helps you, and we'll see you on the next video.